So today in the shop we have a 1974 911. This is one that we have the engine for and the transmission. We've already rebuilt the transmission. We were waiting on the crankcase coming back from the machine shop. It arrived just yesterday. So we've got to get the engine back together. And normally we don't do this. This is a complete car, and we'll show you the inside of the car. Pretty much nothing. Just came out of the paint shop. And the original agreement was we were going to do the engine and the transmission. The car would have been put together by others, and we were going to get the car and put the engine and trans in and do our normal break-ins. Situation's changed, and now we're going to take all of this and put it in there. So this is, we've kind of broken it down. Took a quick inventory of new parts. These are the new parts that were supplied with it. We've got a wiring harness. We've got some miscellaneous suspension stuff. We've got some front brake calipers. But basically what we have to do is go through all of this and get it up to the same state as the car. The goal here is basically a brand new 1974 911. Pretty much as it left the factory. I mean, there's a couple of things that have changed, a couple of upgrades that it's had, both engine-wise, injection-wise, and suspension-wise. But basically, it's going to be as a brand new car would have rolled off the production line in 1974. Okay, so we're making a little bit of headway. We've got suspension arms stripped. This is our trash pile so far, and this is stuff that's just worn out, old, needs to be replaced. We have plate box going here, brake calipers that we're actually going to send these out to repair. It's more cost effective to have that done than to have us do it in-house. And this is our current sandblast pile right here. So this is stuff that we need to get blasted, prepped, before we can even make firm decisions, although most of it looks pretty solid. Oh no, it hasn't been cleaned.
It's the center unit.
Yep.
Oopsie, I think you got oil on the end of your camera.
Well, I'm suspecting that somebody's already done, but all of that, no. I mean,
the way in.
it's all
Oh, that's scuzzy.
dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I mean, that really doesn't look bad. Well, there's definitely oil sitting on the bottom.
It's like a direction changer.
No, it's just the gearbox.
Oh. That's an adjuster, isn't it? Super noisy in there.
It's because it's got no
Dynamite.
soundproofing.
You should put that down after paint or before? After paint. You could put something now.
It should have already been installed.
Tiny bit, get the whole thing to go.
It's like the cable stripped. And they tried to put washers under it
To move it?
to space it out.
Oh. That's what I meant. Can you grab it?
It feels so rough. Oh my God! No wonder the motor can't drive.
Oh, it's just kinking sideways or something. How do you reverse it?
I don't know if you got to join both together.
No. It's coming back still.
Because it should just drive. Something's wrong. I've got to go look at the wiring diagram for that.
What's that you mean?
Yeah, it's like a wire's disconnected inside.
It's quiet.
Yes, it's pretty noisy. It's driving in the one direction. Something's gone open circuit on the other, in the closed direction. Because I got nothing. Solder joint.
Oh.
I can just fix that here. 0.8, yep. That's the problem. We'll just go solder it. Okay, so I resoldered our fitting right there. I'm just using my power supply to run it. There's forward, running 5.2, 5.3 amps. And here's reverse, running 5.2, 5.6 amps. Almost runs a little faster in reverse. So that was it, just a broken solder joint. So I just put the cover back on.
Try again.
Go put it back in.
Well, I have trouble pushing a hard to push door. Is the door still tight?
Don't know.
Just gotta work through it.
One step at a time. Okay, so typical paint shop. Porsche does a really good job of making brass inlays for all of their ground points. And there is so much paint on everything that there is just no way to get a solid ground. So I need to clean all of this off to make sure that our electric motor functions the way it should do.
This is your least painted ground, Kurt.
Yes, this is the least painted ground. And all they have to do is put a piece of tape over it.
But the, I'll show you
Before
the other
they
ones.
paint.
They're wild.
Oh, I see signs of brass. Can you go get me some emery
I've got a
paper?
Dremel. Would you like my Dremel?
Do you have a little wire brush on
Yeah, I
it?
got a little wire brush. Let me go get it for you.
Okay.
S power. That's noisy. How do you go back? How do you go back again? Okay, it's shut and it's lifted up.
Okay, that's shut by itself that time.
Nice. Yep, right up there.
Shut. That part.
Okay. We don't have another one of those.
No, they're not that expensive. Got a hole in the bottom.
Just from rubbing with rocks.
Who knows?
Oh, it's dented.
Drug it across the ground.
Great. Looks like a lot of Euro parts for this job.
Very limited supply right now. I would have to say. Okay, so today on our 74 911 Carrera, we're trying to get a bunch of stuff done. We have already pre-built pedal box, all new bushings, plated stuff. We're waiting on one roll pin for the clutch pedal because the kits used to come with them with the bushing kits, but now, of course, they don't. Welcome to today's parts problems. So our pedal box is done. We are also pressing out rear wheel bearings and bushings, getting ready to do final clean and Cerakote on the arm. It's had an initial bead blast. It's got to have a little bit of a clean up still. Also on the wiring harness, once again, brand new parts, and they messed up. So at least they know about it. And there's a TSB before installing the harness that we need to cut open. I think it's this one. I got to pull the bulletin and switch the wires around. They made a mistake when they wired these, and they flipped two of the wires inside. So we got to cut the tape open, resolder it back together. Also, we have our gas tank prepped. I've still got a drill for the broken stud right here, but I need to wait till I have a gasket and I need to move this job on. So we're going to go ahead and hit it with the body Schultz today and continue on with other things. Okay, so we've got almost everything out. Just got to pull a throttle link out to clean it. But this back area here, when they painted it, normally this area is kind of taped off here and blacked. But they just didn't clean all of the dirt out. So in trying to get the old grease, this is our parking brake. Cables come in here, heater cables on the bottom, wiring harness, battery harness, speedometer cable, fuel lines up here. I'm just trying to clean it up and make it more user-friendly and kind of represent. We'll probably have to tape off some of this and just hit it with some flat black, which is going to slow down because we have wiring harness to install that I wanted to pull through this morning, but that's not going to happen. We also have our main engine ground point, which is like all the rest of them in this car, heavily coated. I mean, I can't even get a die started on that. So got a lot of cleaning to do back here before I'm ready to pull anything. Okay, so we got it cleaned and flat blacked, ready to start putting stuff in. Got my ground point cleaned off. Still needs a little bit more. But that's kind of sort of what I would expect it to look like.
How much do you lose on the battery cable?
I couldn't tell you off the top of my head. Would have to use a calculation for it.
Because that's a long way away.
Yeah.
Why didn't they put it in the back?
It is in the back.
No, like the battery in the back.
It's pretty close to the back. Okay, what are you doing?
What do you want? Push something towards you, the battery one?
Yeah, you gotta push both at once.
Okay.
Okay, so what the problem was is this is the turn signal flasher plug-in, and they had switched the ground and the power supply on a transistorized flasher relay. Not a good thing. It probably blew up a bunch of relays till they figured out what happened or what went wrong. So all I had to do was cut. I've heat shrunk and soldered the connections, and now I'm just going to close it back up with tape again. Wiring harness installation. Starting from scratch.
So it comes in 3 harnesses? Like engine harness? How many? Like 10? 10 looms?
There's a bunch of them.
Oh.
In that box that's now covered in the slicer. Take a look up in here. That's what the wiper motor looks like when it's all plugged in.
Oh, I see. Just a...
So you need to come down here,
and see where each plug goes?
see whichever each one is labeled to go. So it's not just like plugging plugs together.
No.
Doesn't work that way. Welcome to Porsche. Early
Nice one.
Porsche.
Oh, it's going in.
Yeah.
That's wild.
I don't think I particularly...
Oh, it's a blade one.
Yeah, this is the classic retrofit.
Pull one out. Show me what a blade looks like. This looks like a regular blade. Oh, yeah. So when they burn, what happens?
Well, they're going to burn just the same as
No,
fuel.
but where do you see it?
You don't. You got to put your test light on it or pull it and look at it.
You won't burn across the back
Because
of
you
it.
can see it in there.
No, but it won't burn across. You won't see it in the back of the.
I just don't think it's really worth it.
They're going to discontinue those ceramic ones at one point. So maybe that's why they're doing it.
Well,
To go into the future.
I'm yet to be convinced. Okay, so today I have been installing and wiring up our fuse panel. We got some parts in from Porsche. We were missing the bracket. Got that installed. Finished up some of the light stuff in the front that we were waiting on part. Somehow, I don't think this is factory. It's very fancy. Even down to the fancy piece of copper strap.
What's it supposed to do? Tension?
It's an adjuster.
Yeah, but what's the spring supposed to do?
I know.
Editing.
It ain't supposed to be there, I don't think. Maybe it could have been at some point. Just nothing's hooked up.
Looks
That
slightly
one's
green.
hooked up. Yeah, we'll have to investigate. I have done our door switches, soldered those into place. New interior lights, fished all the harness back down through the column, so that's all done. And the back, cleaned off the 8 tons of paint and primer, scraped the ground point back, and then lastly pulled out the last of the old switch wiring for ignition switch, and that's all being replaced. I do need to get some more parts, a new hazard light switch, a couple of other things, but getting very close. Gauges came back in. They're just sitting there. Don't have enough bulb holders. It's one of the problems where everything is missing. Also got the wiring harness all redone on the rear engine mount panel as well.
Oh, Permatune.
Permadoom.
Is it going to run with that?
Guaranteed to blow up.
No, are we going to run with that, or is it
If
going
it
to change
works.
it? Okay.
If it works for us, then great. If it don't work, then put something else in.